Hi, good evening, everybody. So basically, here I'm going to show you something which our company already has and which has a simple layer of artificial intelligence enabled with WhatsApp as well. So this is just the demonstration for the web interface, and if you are scheduling a demo with us, we'll be definitely giving you an overview of how AI is being implemented here. So this is going to be a project grid platform which is going to help you in managing your projects in at one place. Everything that you manage, starting with budget, risk, sprints, and project delivery, milestone, documents, communications, all in one place. So there are definitely many people, many organizations who are selling project management software, but we are different in terms of the features, the AI integrations, and in terms of pricing, of course, because our pricing is not user based. If you go to any project management software, you'll get a user based pricing. So if you have a team of 50 users, you have to pay 50 times the subscription fees for one user. So that is like a very big budget for project management. But in our case, as you are the end to end provider for this enterprise software, you get it for the server and database cost, right, which is much cheaper than that of per user cost. Along with it, it has many integration capabilities, can integrate with Slack, can integrate with WhatsApp, can integrate with email, your email servers and all these things if you want. Otherwise, we are also providing our email servers and a lot of other aspects. So I'm going to give you the overview first. So what you can do is you can put the email address here. I'm just putting my email address here so that it will be easy to access. I got an OTP which I am putting it. So as you can see, this is going to be the project management software, and here there are basic overdue notifications. Normally overdue projects are going to create problems for you, so these are at the top because they are the top priority. Some statistics, let me tell you that we charge nothing for customization. Unlike other companies and competitors, our customizations are free of cost and complimentary if you are taking our software. So if you want any types of graph or something like that here, in analytics you are going to get a few graphs. But if you are a person who is looking for specific statistics here based on project data, we are capable enough to design that for you at no cost if you are taking our software, right? So here you can see all the projects are here, all the tasks that has been assigned to me are here. There are notifications which has been given to me. There are quick actions. As you can see, there is a search everything also here. You can search everything using that search everything function, right? Similarly, here there is recent activity and daily logs. So there are few overdue projects as well. If I click on this, I'll be going inside a project, and inside a project you can see there are very specific details for a project. A Canvan view, many people use this Canvan view as project tracking, and we are very much aware of it. So Canvan is given. There is a simple overview as well which gives you a simple statistics, the project details, a little bit of project details. You can see the milestones, right, different tasks, recent activities, recent daily logs, and a lot of aspects, right? So you can also bulk edit. So if you go, you can select everything and you can bulk edit, right? This thing is also given to project managers because most of the time they need to bulk edit. So that part is given here. If you go inside, there is Kanban. If you go inside, there is Gantt chart. So instead of preparing Gantt chart every time, you can have it directly from here. You can also download it easily. There is something called as budget tracking, which is obviously a thing in all types of project, and this is a software not only for software companies but also for companies who are handling projects. They can be manufacturing plants, they can be construction companies, they can be interior design companies, a lot of other companies, they can be insurance companies, they can be travel and tech companies, right? So a lot of companies can get benefit from this software. There is of course time entries, so you can select a task, you can log the time. So basically you know how much time has been elapsed after you have started this specific task, right? So how much time it has taken. So this can also allow you to track your human resource and their efficiency. There is a risk option, you can get the risk. This risk is based on many weightage calculations, simple mathematical calculations. And of course, once you take this software, we have an AI layer which will be integrated once the software is deployed after 3 months period, when there is sufficient data, and AI will be helping you in forecasting and risk management as well for similar in your project. There is a recurring task, so let us assume daily stand up notes you have to do. So if you click on generate, it will generate. So these are all recurring tasks for this project. If they are happening daily or in weekly basis, you can have it. You can also share a link. I'm on a local server, so if I'm on a production server, you will get this link, and this particular customer can actually access this link. I'm just opening it just to show you. So they can access it and they can see how much their project is completed, what are the milestones that are completed, what are the recent updates, and all the task overview. There is no need of handling the customer over a call or something like that. They can always see the project progress. So this is all inside this project. You can see there are options, like if you go inside the task, let's assume I'm going to this task, right? So in the task itself, you can see different subtasks are already here, right? So inside the subtasks, you can also see there are attachment options, you can upload files, there are dependencies, there are assigned resources, and there is option to discuss something. Very important in terms of project management, you need to discuss something and put it here, so that entire history is at one place. And if you are going for a Gantt chart, of course you'll be getting a Gantt chart. So all these things are here. If you go into subtask, you can also see the subtask properly. Most of the time what happens is the customer asks a report, so you can directly generate a report from PDF, right? If I am going to, so you can see this is the entire report generated in just one click. If I'm clicking print or save as PDF, you'll be getting this, right? So you can directly send this to the customer for overview, or you can send the link as well, the portal link. So this is all in projects. So all your projects are coming here. There are many filter options, like, and you can have these filter options. There is analytics. In analytics, there are overdue projects, there are project progress, and you can see resource utilization. If you have something which needs to be customized, we are always ready for it to put it here free of cost. There is delay alerts. Of course, if there is a delay or there is a overdue projects, you can have it. It will be shown here. And as I said, once AI is deployed, there is a specific risk management as well. So let us assume a project is still on track, but AI is predicting that there is risk. So that means some previous projects were failed even when they were on track. So you need to be a little bit more cautious. So this will happen only when you have at least 3 or 4 months of data, or if you are using any software currently, project management software, if you provide us with the data, we'll be happy to put that AI layer for you. There will be activity feed. You can see project specific activity feed as well as all project activity feed here easily. All the activity you can track here. So let's assume you are the owner of the company. You see here what's been happening. In 1 hour, Arjun has added something, Rahul has added something, right? You can see all the resources here. All the resources means in case of construction, manufacturing, you can have excavators and all these things here, hardware, construction devices, and a lot of other things as resources. This is a availability calendar, very much important for each resource. Let's assume Aditya Joshi is a resource, so you can see when he is available, right? So he is available, like here he is not available, he is available on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Sunday is a holiday, so it's being written like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So he is available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you have to assign some task, you can assign. And if there is a conflict, you can see there is always a conflict detector. There is always a conflict detector here as well. So you can see how many conflicts are here, right? So there is a team directory, how many team members are here. There is user management, which you can do. There is admin panel, where you can edit the roles and a lot of things. There are project templates, predefined project templates. Let's assume data migration is something which you do. So it's a predefined project templates. You will be getting all this task, and once you click on create project, immediately it will create the project. You don't have to do that manually every time, right? So here we have things like this, and if you are from a specific sector, you can also go and create your own template. Only once you have to create a template and you can reuse it. That feature is already here. And ultimately there is the profile that normally comes up with any software, and there is a notification panel where you can see all the notifications, right? So all the notifications and their linked things are here. So I was just trying to explain all these things, and there are many other aspects. So for example, if I'm going to search and I'm searching ETL, let's assume, so I can see all the ETL things where ETL is a thing are coming here. Even if ETL is a word used there, it is coming here. So if in your project you have 100 projects going on and you need to search a specific thing, you can have it, right? You can also search different what I see different things here, right? Let us assume analytics. So this is going to be a module, right? Data analytics dashboard. It's like a module. You can search everything here. So this is all about our current project management tool. So if you need it, we'll be happy to give you. And it is also very much essential for overdue projects, because these projects are something which is going to be creating problems for everybody, for you, for your customer as well. And there is log records, and you can download it in CSV as an Excel as well. So let's assume you have to send it as a Excel to during any tender process application or something like that. So you can do that. So all these things you can do easily using this project management software, and we'll be happy to give you this software if you are opting for it. So I will be putting a comparison report of this software with the popular softwares that are available in the market as well, and you can check. You can choose a choose a better software and take a wise decision. Thank you so much for your time. Please let us know if we can help you out in any other way. Thank you.